there, Beth from scrappingwonders.com, and I'm just going to do a really short video showing you how to create a vision dashboard for the Traveler's Notebook inserts slash dashboards. Um, all of the dashboards in my shop are currently top loading dashboards, meaning that you can go ahead and change out whatever paper you want in them whenever you feel like it. And I decided to have a mini vision dashboard in my Traveler's Notebook. It's something that I open all the time. It's something that I'll see all the time. And I really thought this was a great idea. So what I did was I grabbed two pieces of paper that are actually quite different, but they match. And I cut them down to size, and then I flipped them over. So the front of these papers have some really pretty patterns on the front, and then on the back they're plain white. So on the plain white side, I got collaging. Most of these came from Daphne's Diary magazines and a Somerset magazine that I had in my stash. And I literally just clipped out pieces that spoke to me in the moment. I don't put a lot of thought into this in the sense that I don't hem and haw of, oh my God, is it going to fit? Because I kind of just feel like, let's make it fit. So what I'm doing now is I'm grabbing a Prima glue stick and I'm literally just gluing everything down on the back of these pieces of paper. If you have not tried a Prima glue stick, I highly suggest that you do. I will be coming out with a kit that is going to include these glue sticks in the very near future. But if you don't want to be patient and wait for me, I really suggest grabbing these because these glue sticks are awesome. They really stick, and I don't get a lot of that stickiness slash yuckiness all over my fingers for some reason with these. I don't know. They're pretty awesome. This is a piece of vellum that I had just sitting on my desk. I currently have this piece of vellum as a dashboard in my TN, and I love cherry blossoms and the meaning that they have with them, which is why I cannot bear to get rid of any of the scraps of paper of that vellum that I have. And it's gorgeous, isn't it? So a lot of my vision boards don't just have pictures, they also have words, so you can see life at the top. And then I have I'm flipping through my Daphne's Diary planner because there's some stickers in there, and I know there's stickers in there. It's just a matter of finding those stickers. So coffee, I'm a coffee addict. If you don't know that about me, I really want to incorporate books more into 2018. I love to read and I'm a reader, but I haven't been reading as much as possible. And I'm hoping that my video has recorded properly. But I will have some still shots for you at the end so that you can see how wonderful this really turned out, and I'm super happy with it. And this is a great way to incorporate the dashboards into your traveler's notebooks. And I hope that this has given you some inspiration of one of the things that you can do with them. I see all the time questions asked on, what do I do with these dashboards? Are they just decoration? Yes, they are used for decoration, but they can also be used functionally for like a vision board and what you want to bring into your life. And I'm hoping to bring these things into my life more this year. So with that being said, I really hope that this inspired you. I appreciate all of your support from 2017 and into the new year of 2018. Thank you so very much. I'll see you later. Bye.